Welcome to the best pick. The best dog trimmer is probably one of the most essential tools for any pet owner looking to maintain their furry friend's coat at home, especially when dealing with thick, stubborn hair that can be a challenge for standard clippers. This review will dive deep into what makes a dog trimmer truly stand out, focusing on its ability to handle dense fur without snagging or pulling, ensuring a comfortable and efficient grooming experience for both you and your beloved canine companion. We'll explore the features that contribute to a smooth, professional-looking finish, making at-home grooming a breeze and saving you frequent trips to the groomer. Number 5. ONEISALL Professional Dog Grooming Clippers 676 Pro. Introducing the ONEISALL Professional Dog Grooming Clippers, designed for a superior grooming experience at home. Achieve salon-quality results with ease. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation with its convenient rechargeable battery. This tool offers powerful performance without being tethered by a cord. Its heavy-duty motor and sharp blades effortlessly tackle thick, curly, fine, or wavy pet hair. It's built to handle even the most challenging coats. Designed with low-noise technology, it ensures a stress-free grooming session for your pet. They can relax while you groom. Comes with detachable metal combs for adjustable cutting lengths and versatile styling options. Achieve the perfect trim every time. This grooming essential features a sleek silver finish, combining durability with a professional aesthetic. It's a reliable addition to your pet care tools. What we like? This one features a heavy-duty motor perfect for tackling thick and curly coats. Its detachable metal combs ensure a precise and even cut every time. If you have a dog with a dense or challenging coat and are looking for professional-level results at home, you should consider this. What people say. The motor is powerful and can handle thick, matted hair without pulling. It comes with multiple guard combs for different hair lengths, allowing for versatile grooming. The low-noise design is great for anxious pets, making the grooming experience less stressful. Number 4. ONEISALL Dog Clippers for Thick Coats, Silver. Tired of struggling with grooming your pet's thick coat? Our clippers are designed to handle even the toughest fur with ease. Experience a powerful yet quiet grooming session. Its low-noise operation ensures a stress-free experience for your beloved pet. Enjoy the freedom of cordless grooming. This rechargeable pet shaver offers ultimate convenience without being tethered by a cord. Equipped with a detachable stainless steel blade, it provides a precise and clean cut every time. Achieve professional grooming results at home. Cleaning up is a breeze with its waterproof design. Simply rinse the blade under water for quick and easy maintenance. Whether you have dogs, cats, or other animals, this grooming tool is perfect for keeping them looking their best. It's designed for all your pet grooming needs. What we like? This model boasts a waterproof design and a sharp stainless steel blade, making cleanup a breeze and ensuring efficient grooming. Its low-noise operation helps keep pets calm during the process. If you prioritize ease of cleaning and a stress-free grooming experience for your pet, especially for those with heavy coats, this is a great choice. What people say. The trimmer is quiet and doesn't scare my dog. It cuts through thick hair easily and smoothly. The battery life is impressive, lasting for multiple grooming sessions. Number 3. ONEISALL Double Blades Cordless Pet Hair Trimmer. Introducing the ONEISALL Double Blades Cordless Pet Hair Trimmer. It's designed for quiet and efficient grooming of your beloved pet's sensitive areas. Featuring innovative double blades, this trimmer ensures a safe and precise cut every time. It effectively tackles hair around paws, eyes, and face. Worried about scaring your pet? This trimmer operates at a low noise level, making grooming a stress-free experience for both of you. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation. Its compact design makes it easy to maneuver and use for detailed trimming wherever needed. Ideal for trimming hair around delicate areas like paws, eyes, ears, face, and rump. Keep your pet looking neat and comfortable with ease. This grooming tool comes in a clean white finish, adding a touch of style to your pet care routine. It's as practical as it is attractive. What we like? Equipped with double blades, this cordless trimmer is designed for precision work. It's particularly effective for detailed grooming around sensitive areas like paws, eyes, and face. If you need a quiet and maneuverable tool for touch-ups and intricate grooming on smaller pets or specific spots, this is the one to get. What people say. The trimmer is powerful and cuts through thick hair with ease. It's quiet and doesn't scare my dog, which is a huge plus. The battery life is impressive, lasting for multiple grooming sessions on a single charge. Number 2. Neakasa P1 Pro Dog Grooming Vacuum Kit. Meet the Neakasa P1 Pro, your ultimate solution for pet grooming at home. This all-in-one kit makes keeping your furry friend looking and feeling their best easier than ever. It offers 6 essential grooming functions in one convenient device. From trimming to vacuuming, it handles all your pet's needs efficiently. Experience powerful cleaning with its impressive 9,000 pascals suction. It effectively captures loose hair and dander, keeping your home cleaner. Designed with low noise levels, it ensures a stress-free grooming experience for your pet. They can relax while you groom them. The generous 1-liter dust cup means less frequent emptying. You can groom your pet thoroughly without interruption. This tool is ideal for managing shedding and trimming at home. Keep your pet comfortable and your living space tidy with ease. What we like? This is a 6-in-1 grooming kit that combines clippers with a powerful 9,000 pascals vacuum. It collects loose hair directly, minimizing mess and keeping your home tidy. If you're tired of dealing with shedding and want a clean, efficient grooming solution that handles both trimming and hair collection simultaneously, this is an excellent option. What people say. The motor is powerful and can handle thick, matted fur without getting bogged down. The ceramic blades stay sharp for a long time and don't heat up, preventing burns on the pet's skin. It comes with multiple guard combs, allowing for different cutting lengths and versatility for various breeds and coat types. Number 1. ONEISALL Pet Grooming Vacuum Blue. Experience grooming and vacuuming simultaneously. This device collects 99% of loose pet hair directly into its container, ensuring a clean and tidy home without any mess, even for beginners. The clippers, paw trimmer, and nail grinder can be used independently or with the vacuum. Enjoy the freedom to groom your pet anywhere, indoors or outdoors, thanks to their cordless design. With a noise level of only 59 dB and 3 adjustable suction levels, it ensures a relaxed grooming experience for your pet. They won't be scared during the process. The detachable 1.5L dustbin has a larger capacity, reducing the need for frequent emptying. Its easy empty lid ensures mess-free disposal, and the device is designed for space-saving storage. This comprehensive kit makes home grooming effortless. It includes tools to remove loose hair, trim nails, and collect stray hairs from furniture, providing a superior grooming experience. The extended hose and power cable offer ample reach for grooming in various locations. All accessories are neatly organized in a provided storage bag, keeping everything tidy. What we like? This comprehensive 7-in-1 kit includes a clipper, nail grinder, and de-shedding brush, all integrated with a vacuum function and a large 1.5L dust cup. It's designed to handle shedding, trimming, and nail care while collecting most of the hair. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to manage your pet's grooming needs and keep your home clean, especially if you have a heavy shedder, this kit is ideal. What people say. The trimmer is quiet and doesn't scare my dog. It cuts through thick hair easily, even on my golden retriever. The battery life is impressive, lasting for multiple grooming sessions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.